saw this completely black strange diary at the stationery the other day, so I immediately brought it. Now let's unpack it. The cover says enjoy the time being alone. That's really strange. Starry sky is written on the side, and here is some Chinese text and some English text. Let's unpack it. Whoa, the pages are completely black. I don't know why would someone make such a book. And what should I write? What should I write with on it? And why would anyone make such a notebook for witchcraft? But anyways, I liked it.